GABA Primary English Class 4. Chapter 9 The Robots. The word robot was coined in the 20th century. Actually, the English language borrowed it from Czech. The original word robota or robotnik, meaning a slave or a servant, was first used in 1921 in a play named Rossum's Universal Robots by a Czech writer Karel Capek. The play was about a greedy factory owner who made robots to replace all his human workers. The factory owner thought of naming them labori, meaning workers, but his brother did not like it and muttered that they should be called robots. Nowadays, children play with toy robots operated by a remote device. These are simple robots doing ordinary things like walking, rolling, etc. But complex robots have been made to perform almost every kind of activity, particularly in factories. The brain of a robot is computer. It can be programmed to do anything. Scientists use robots in underwater projects where people cannot work. They can send robots for exploring space. Robots do not need air as they are battery operated. Some experts are of the opinion that in future terrorists or their organizations can use robots for bombing and other terrorist activities. Robot is an intelligent and obedient machine. It can have arms, hands, and legs to do different tasks. It is controlled through computer and can work in difficult and dangerous situations like in furnaces, etc. A robot never gets tired or gets bored of doing the same things again and again. They do not have feelings of happiness or sadness. Their eyes can see what human eyes cannot. Scientists are loading robots with more and more work. In future, robots will be used to perform surgical operations. They will look after the sick and elderly people or restless and hungry human babies. Then we would not have to spend time on feeding, bathing, and taking the pet dogs for a walk every day. The scientists are working on putting feelings in robots. What will happen if robots are filled with emotions? Some artists show their feeling in the robot dance transmitted on several TV channels. The film Galem, made in 1920, was the first to feature a robot. Star Wars, made in 1977, introduced the robots that became very popular.